My name is Shaun, and I'm a former architect making a mid-career change. First of all, I would like to thank Prof. Alex for sharing that insightful speech on resilience and learning with us. It takes great perseverance, conviction, and courage to pursue a new discipline, and I believe these are qualities shared by everyone here in Batch 4. Of course, you can't eat conviction or courage, and they can't pay for rent either, but you know what can? Bitcoin. Jokes aside, the end goal shared by many of us is to eventually get a job in this rapidly growing industry. Now, for some context. Despite my major in design, I've always had an interest in finance and computing. When the COVID pandemic hit, the construction industry was at a standstill, and this gave me an opportunity to reassess my career path. It is undeniable that the world's rapid growth is driven by our technological innovations as well as money. Hence, when I first applied to the NUS FinTech course, I sought to equip myself with the knowledge and skills necessary for breaking into this exciting industry. So I thought, if I stopped being an architect, why not be a software architect instead? However, as deceiving as it sounds, there is nothing soft about software architecture or the NUS FinTech course. In the duration of 2 short months, we were exposed to a myriad of financial and programming concepts, and to describe this time as challenging would be a gross understatement. Nonetheless, there is no doubt that without the remarkable dedication and passion employed by each of our lecturers to carefully curate our course material, it would have been impossible to grasp any of these elusive concepts. Oscillating between case studies, industry-leading guest lecturers, coding, and even more coding, I thoroughly enjoyed and sometimes even resented the late nights and long hours of debugging with my group. It is not often you end a short course being able to build something tangible and seeing the lines of code evolve into a web page or algorithm capable of generating positive returns made all our efforts worth it. Additionally, the new friendships and networks forged through the undertaking of this course are arguably just as valuable, even more so since they were started over Zoom. Although there were many highlights, personal favorites include the design sprint coffee session with Prof. Keith, learning about APIs with Prof. John and Deshaun, getting lost in GitHub and Solidity with Uli and Reshma, understanding market indicators and algorithmic trading with Shashank, and meeting new like-minded friends. Overall, it has been a great learning journey, and I'm sure my batchmates would agree that our time has been both enjoyable and challenging. Moving forward, I would like to assert that the conclusion of this course is just the beginning. In the words of Einstein, once you stop learning, you start dying. And this couldn't be more relevant to the fintech scene. Imparted with the knowledge and hunger to pursue all things tech-related, this course has augmented my design thinking and project management skills with the technical knowledge to apply them to a fintech role. Thanks to NUS, I have been exposed to several job opportunities, and I look forward to expanding my experience in this industry further.